Hi guys and welcome back to our channel. In today's video, I'm going to show you how to create gift cards in Shopify. So if you want to create gift cards on Shopify, first of all, log into your Shopify account. Go to admin.shopify.com, log into your Shopify and you will see your dashboard. On your dashboard, you'll have to click on the third option, that is products. Click on products on your dashboard. Now you will see a drop down menu under products. You'll have to click on gift cards under products. So you will see a page that will look something like this. Now you have two options. First one is to create a gift card. The second one is to add gift card products. So what we are going to do is, first of all, add a gift card product. Click on add gift card product. Now this enables the gift card feature and lets you create your first gift card. Here you'll have to add the title of the gift card. For example, add the title of gift card, add a description, or you can also click on generate text and give some prompt to this AI and it will generate a description for this gift card. So I'm just typing anything. Now go to media and click on upload new, or you can also add from URL. So basically provide all the details like title, description, media, and choose a sales channel where you want the gift card to be available. So click on upload new in order to add a media. Now you can add any media for this gift card. For example purposes, I'm using this Fortnite picture to show as my gift card picture. Now in the denominations, you can remove any denominations and you can also edit this denomination. You can click on add denomination and set a value for that denomination, and that denomination will be added to your gift card. So in denominations, you can create variants for the gift card with different price points representing various denominations. Just click to add variant and assign a title, price and image for each denomination. So after filling out all these informations, click on save gift card product at the bottom right corner and you'll be promoted back to your gift card page. Now you'll go back and here is our gift card. Now what we'll do is click on this checkbox, click on set as active. Now setting this product as active will make them available to their selected sales channels and applications. So click on set as active and now we can see that we just created this gift card for our Shopify store. Now if you want to issue this gift card, you'll have to go to gift cards again and click on create gift card. Now you'll have to set the value. Enter the amount the gift card will be worth in the initial value field. So this gift card will be worth 50 euros. Now assign a recipient. In the customer field, enter the customer's email, address, phone number, or search for an existing customer, and the gift code will be sent to them. Now click on search for customer, create a new customer, add their first name, last name, email, and phone number, and click on save. After you click on save, that gift card will be sent to the customer you have added in this customer field. You can choose whether it would have no expiration date or any specific expiration date just by clicking on these buttons. Now click on save and after that you would have successfully created and sent the gift card to the person you would have added in your customer. You can also edit the email that will be sent to the customer with the gift card code. So that's how you create gift cards on Shopify. Like and subscribe if you found this video helpful.